Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put about P equals to this one and Q equals to this one. So we have the ask. We need to do first the derivative of B with respect to y. So we have y squared in here and y in here. First derivative of y squared, you got about 2y. First derivative of cosine sy, you got about positive sine sy. This one we don't have y, so you got about 0. Now we have the q over the s because we have the y in here. First derivative of s, you got about 1, so we have 2y. First derivative of this one, we have negative sine sy, so negative with negative, you got about positive. We see that this one is equal, so that is about exact. Now, I will set up about the function fsy equals to the integration. So I will choose about the s plus 3sy. The integration of 2s, you got about s squared. The integration of y squared, you got about s. The integration of cosine sy, we will have about negative sine sy in here. Now, we need to do first the derivative of the function with respect to y for the both sides. This one you got about 0. This one you got about y squared in here. And you got about 2ys. After we do first the derivative of y squared. First the derivative of sine sy, you got about negative cosine s plus y. And we have d over dy 3sy. And we know that everything in here equals to this one in here. Now we need to simplify for the both sides. And we got about negative e to the power of y. Now we need to put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have negative e to the power of y, and we put about c. Now we return back in here. The integration of this one, you got about 3sy. And this is equals to this one in here. So I will put this one going here. And we know that this one is similar for fsy. And fsy equals to c. So if we simplify, and we got like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.